empty echoes call my name, but they never sound the same. Falling through the cracks of time, fingertips that slip from mine. Are you real or just a dream, fading out like movie scenes? Tell me, do you feel it too? The way the night dissolves in blue, drifting further, losing sight, caught between the dark and light. Neon shadows trace the walls, hollow voices start to call. Frozen moments in my head play like songs we left unsaid. If I reach, will you be there? Or just smoke that fills the air? Every step just leads me back to the place where you turn black. Silhouettes that fade away, lost in dreams that couldn't stay. I still hear you in the dark, but you were gone before the spark.